Size land for sale in Udonthani. This is Mung Udonthani, and it's 5 rai and a fish pond and a private road, about maybe 8 metres wide, so good for access. You can put maybe nice trees down it and landscape it, and then when you come in you've got a building plot maybe 40 metres by 50 metres, so a big plot. And the land that's for the house plots really strong. It's the red orange. It's been down for about 3 or 4 years, so it's really strong. The pond you can enlarge and make it 2 or 3 times bigger if you want a bigger pond. At the moment the pond is to this side where the eucalyptus trees are. They're coming down, and there's another 1.5 right at the back of that, so you can extend the pond if you want. Oh, here would be nice for a house, and it's shaded. This is a nice shaded, so maybe a nice house here with a sort of, I don't know, veranda that goes over to the pond, and just extend it back maybe 20 metres. Very nice, but it's quiet and it's 20 minutes from the city, so I think brilliant for a house that's got privacy. Nowadays it's hard to get it. You buy the shitty condos, or you buy the houses in Udonthani for 4 or 5 million, and your neighbour's only 1 metre or 2 metres off your back wall, which is no good. Okay, I'll show you the land when it's clean tomorrow. Still got another 50% to go, but we'll do it tomorrow. But you're better to buy land. Land's a lot nicer than buying a condo or buying a villa in the city. Okay, I'll put fish in it as well. I'd maybe fish the pond in the next few days. Okay, but you want to come and see it. The land's 290,000 for 1 rai, and that's including the house plot. If you want cheaper land, we can do for 250,000, and but it needs you've got to sort of infill some and build roads and house plots. This one's already done, so okay. If you want to see some nice land, I've got nice land for sale.